So, you need to cleanse kidneys full of toxins. The most used food in India, Philippines, UK and USA is okra. It is same pronounced in Caribbean English and Nigeria also. Another name is ladyfingers. In raw okra, 1 cup, you have only 30 calories, 3 grams fiber, 2 grams protein, 7.6 grams carbs and 0.1 fat, 21 milligrams vitamin C, 80 milligrams folate and 60 milligrams magnesium. It is indeed a health powerful veggie and available anywhere. It doesn't matter whale consumption. Boiled, stewed, raw, fried, pickled. It is healthy anyway all year long. It eases up the asthma symptoms, bad cholesterol too, improves immunity, stops kidney issues and cleanses kidneys and helps with diabetes patients. It is even proved how it improves glucose related absorption issues in the stomach. With this simple recipe, you will level the sugar in the bloodstream. Recipe: get 4 okras fresh and cut them on heads and tails. Put 2 to 3 cuts in water to sit overnight. Drink that water before breakfast. This will stop cravings during the day and level good sugar in blood. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thank you.